When you're evaluating your home's exterior for repairs, a good place to look is around doors and windows. This is a garage door jamb that's starting to rot. You can see the paint is flaking, the caulk is separating from the brick, and oftentimes they'll feel light or hollow to the touch when you tap on them.
Okay, so we're going to replace this rotten garage jamb. First thing we're going to do is store this molding to take it off.
Must have a pry bar in your tool bag.
That's right. It's durable, affordable, and this is the one I actually use. That's right. Now we're gonna cut the top real close to the top piece. Pry this piece off. A lot of times these are put together like an actual door jamb, so that's why we cut it off up here at the top first, and then you want it chiseled the remains of it out. Now we're priming it, and we want to hit the ends really good, because that's usually why they rot. So we're going to do everything we can to try to prevent that.